Introducing the Malta X360 mobile grabber with a full 360-degree rotation, the ultimate mobile fall protection solution.
Featuring a fully rotating mast, this is a rotowable, mobile, positionable, made in the USA fall protection solution. And the 360 is the most versatile mobile anchor ever created. We have undergone extensive third-party testing to guarantee safety and satisfaction of users. Let's take a look around the X360. The X360 is designed for 2 workers in fall arrest at a maximum height of 34 feet and 6 inches. Both anchor points can be utilized at any height or any rotational position once set up according to the instructions. Trained users can be safely working at heights just minutes after pulling on the job site. It is equipped with a battery-driven hydraulic motor and 110-volt onboard charger. This compartment is for more than storage. It acts as the counterweight and contains over 2,000 pounds of concrete, more than enough to arrest the fall of 2 workers simultaneously. Setting up the 360 is simple and easy. Use a pickup truck, forklift, or crane to position the unit near the fall hazard. Once in a position, chock your wheels. Extend the outriggers as seen here, and be sure the locking pins snap into place. Lower the drop foot style jacks, and be sure all 4 jacks are firmly on the ground, and the unit is within 2 degrees of level. Disconnect any tie-down straps and attach the wire pennants. Raise the mast with the pennant remote, and when cleared of the base, use the secondary remote to rotate the mast a full 360 degrees. The ability to rotate the mast with the control of the mast height allows the user to place the anchor precisely above the user's head, reducing swing fall hazards and maximizing ergonomic ability of the worker. If precautions are made and it complies with company guidelines, the X360 mast can be rotated during use and used for anchorage seamlessly across a greater distance than ever before possible. The X360 can be outfitted with many options, including solar charger, wireless remote, X-Series Go drive system, rescue retrieval and confined space system, and more. To try one out at your job, or to see if the X360 or one of our many other mobile fall protection solutions is for you, reach out using the link in the video description. This is ultimate versatility. This is instant compliance and safety. This is the world leader in mobile fall protection. This is the X360 by Malta Dynamics.